Ever wish you had a second monitor but didn't want to spend the money? Today, I'm showing you how to turn your phone into a screen for free using ASUS GlideX. This works with non-ASUS PCs too, but with some basic limitations. First, download GlideX on your Windows PC from the Microsoft Store and grab the mobile app from the Play Store or App Store on your phone or tablet. Here's how to do it on an iPad App Store, as that is what I'm using for this video. Open both apps. Make sure your PC and phone are on the same Wi-Fi network for a wireless connection. Pro tip: for zero lag while gaming or coding, use a USB cable instead. You'll just need to enable USB debugging in your phone's developer options. On your PC, go to Cross-Device Operation, click Extend, and find your phone. Once you click it, your desktop will instantly expand. The best part? Your phone's touchscreen still works. You can scroll through Discord or watch a tutorial while you work on your main screen. You can also use mirror mode to see and control your phone directly from your PC mouse and keyboard. This is a total game changer for any home lab or gaming setup. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button.